Hi, I'm Jon Brinton, Executive Vice President of Cloud Services for Mitel, and I'd like to talk to you about why you should take advantage of the cloud and transform the way your company communicates internally and with the outside world. Competitive advantage used to be defined by having access to capital and resources. Today, it's all about the flow of information between individuals, departments, customers, suppliers, and partners. That flow of information has the power to change your organization, making it more agile, dynamic, and productive. Great communication is therefore more than just nice to have. It's a strategic imperative for every company. Unfortunately, conventional siloed communications don't fulfill this critical business requirement. That's because siloed environments make it hard for information and knowledge to flow between employees, customers, and an ever-changing cast of partners and suppliers. They don't give people the flexibility to use whatever form of communication they deem appropriate for any given interaction, whether that's voice, email, instant messaging, video, or screen sharing. And they don't adequately integrate mobile and non-mobile communications. Plus, conventional environments can't easily adapt to the constant change that takes place within our organizations and the environments in which they operate. So what can unified communications do for you? Well, most organizations find that UC profoundly impacts the speed and effectiveness with which knowledge flows internally and with the outside world. That's made possible through important features like presence, which enables people to find each other quickly, so knowledge flow and productivity aren't undermined by phone tag, slow email responses, and other seemingly small but cumulatively significant issues that plague conventional organizations. Collaboration, which empowers people to share knowledge more effectively through audio and video conferencing, as well as application and desktop sharing. Unified messaging, which improves and simplifies the flow of knowledge by enabling messages to be delivered in a media of the recipient's choice. Mobility, which is essential as smartphones and tablets rapidly become people's primary means of communications. Multi-channel contact centers, which are essential for providing a seamless customer experience and for communicating with customers in the media of their choice, not yours. And finally, integration with other systems and applications, because that integration optimizes knowledge flow and makes it an integral aspect of work rather than a separate activity. These are indispensable capabilities for any organization that wants to be agile, productive, and deliver a great brand experience. The question organizations face, therefore, isn't whether to implement unified communications, but rather what is the smartest way to do so. Today, more and more organizations are choosing to implement their unified communications in the cloud. Let's be clear, the cloud isn't a single monolithic implementation model. Instead, it's a set of quite different models. These models range from a private cloud in your own data center to a hosted cloud infrastructure where you run UC software that you manage yourself, all the way through to UC as a service, where you subscribe to a service delivered under a service level agreement. The model you choose will depend on your objectives. For example, if you want to experience the benefits of unified communications with near zero capital outlay, you'll probably opt for UC as a service. If you have specific compliance requirements and your own internal IT expertise, on the other hand, you may choose UC in a private cloud solution. Alternatively, you may opt for a hybrid model that enables you to realize a return on your existing infrastructure investments while allowing you to retain a specific level of control. Whichever model you choose, UC in the cloud makes a lot of sense because it gives you the flexibility to scale your UC environment up and down as your needs change. It enables you to reduce or eliminate capital expenditure. It minimizes burdens on your IT staff, freeing them to focus on other high-value projects. And finally, it simplifies the extension of UC capabilities beyond your physical facilities to mobile workers, customers, suppliers, and partners. By the way, you don't have to commit to a single model forever. Mitel provides UC through a variety of delivery models including on-premises, private cloud, public cloud, or hybrid cloud environments. This is accomplished through our single cloud-ready software stream, and that can be deployed on a proprietary platform, on an industry standard server, within a virtualized environment, or from a UC as a service provider. This gives you the freedom to evolve your UC environment as you choose to over time. In conclusion, I'd like to make 3 recommendations. First, make sure that decision makers in your organization understand the importance of great communications in a world where the unhindered flow of knowledge across all channels has become a key factor for competing, optimizing productivity, and fulfilling the relentlessly escalating expectations of your customers. Second, take a serious look at how the cloud can help you acquire the UC capabilities you need more quickly and more efficiently, while also making sure you can adapt to your changing business requirements. Third, I invite you to take a look at Mitel MyCloud. We have a proven solution for UC in the cloud that delivers the features, performance, and ease of administration you need. Plus, we give you the freedom to implement UC in whatever way makes the most sense for your organization today and tomorrow. To learn more about the value of UC in the cloud, there's a URL on your screen for additional resources. Thanks for watching, and feel free to contact us if you have any questions.